So I know a lot of y'all are probably wondering, why does he want that new World Industries Tech Deck Flamebow graphic so bad? And the answer is 100% because it's sentimental. I had that same graphic on my actual skateboard growing up. So when I saw Tech Deck was releasing that in Tech Deck version, I was super, super stoked because I have the skateboard version, I have the handboard version, and now I was able to kind of complete my collection with the Tech Deck version, which I'm really into fingerboarding now, and it just kind of brings things full circle. So super cool. So a big shout out to Subliminal, Papa D, and Jackson. Thanks so much for the good trade and for helping make this video possible. I really appreciate you. And real quick, here's a quick tutorial on how to put on the the tube style pivot cups. So here's a quick look at how they look. And the first thing you want to do is take off the hanger, and you want to fit a piece of the tubing kind of over the pointy piece of the hanger. And then what you want to do is lay it down on a table, and you want to make a cut about 1 millimeter above that pointy piece and cut off any excess. So the point is you kind of want to mimic the height of the normal dynamic style pivot cup. And then you want to fit all of that back into the base plate. Make sure nothing's like hanging out or anything like that. Make sure it fits nice and neatly, and then you're good to go. And if you find your kingpin is grinding for any reason, then just kind of redo it and then add some more of the pivot cup, and you'll find that it kind of raises the hanger a bit and takes care of that grinding issue. I had that with a pair of my trucks, and I realized it was strictly because of that too short of a pivot cup. So they're super fun, super cheap, super easy, and there's a quick tutorial on how to put them on.